As we age, staying active becomes more crucial than ever. Today, I want to share an anti-aging fitness routine that can help you feel younger and more vibrant through high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This workout is not just about burning calories. It's about boosting your energy, improving your mood, and enhancing your overall health. Let's dive into the benefits of HIIT. First, it's incredibly efficient. You can get a full body workout in just 20 to 30 minutes. This means you can fit it into your busy schedule without sacrificing your health. HIIT workouts alternate between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest or lower intensity exercise. This method not only helps you burn fat but also increases your metabolism, allowing you to continue burning calories even after your workout is done. Now, let's talk about some exercises you can incorporate into your routine. Start with jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Aim for 30 seconds of high intensity, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Next, move into bodyweight squats. These are fantastic for building strength in your legs and glutes, which are essential for maintaining mobility as we age. Again, go for 30 seconds of squats, followed by a short rest. Push-ups are another great addition. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping to maintain upper body strength. If traditional push-ups are too challenging, modify them by doing them on your knees. After 30 seconds of push-ups, take a brief break. Don't forget about core exercises. Plank holds are excellent for building core stability, which is vital for overall strength and balance. Hold a plank for 30 seconds, focusing on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Rest for 15 seconds before moving on. To wrap up your routine, finish with some high knees. This exercise not only gets your heart pumping but also improves coordination and agility. Aim for 30 seconds of high knees, followed by a cool-down period to help your body recover. Incorporating this HIIT routine into your weekly schedule can make a significant difference in how you feel. It can help improve your cardiovascular health, boost your mood, and even enhance your cognitive function. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 sessions a week, and you'll start to notice the benefits in no time. If you've learned something from this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Let's embrace this journey towards feeling younger and more energetic together.